Hello viewers, here is a vacuum. I don't think I've ever done a video on a vacuum before. I don't necessarily intend to start collecting vacuums, but I've always liked these Oreck XL vacuums. These are very good vacuums, and I only wanted $5 for this one, so it was a pretty good deal. Let's see if I can get a view of the whole thing. I'll have to put it on the floor here. Can't zoom out anymore, but there it is. It looks to be in pretty good condition. It does have a service record on here. Let's see when this was last serviced. A lot of these XL vacuums came with a service plan from Oreck, and you could take it back to them and they would service it, I think it was on a yearly basis for quite some time after the date of purchase. So a lot of these vacuums were around for a long time. This one looks like it was serviced probably in 2005, providing it's a yearly service, I don't know. Looking at the information tag here, you can see that it's only rated at 4 amps, which is quite low considering most of today's vacuums. They're usually all upwards of 10 or 12 amps, so it's a relatively high efficiency product. Now, I don't have any bags for this on hand, so we'll have to, providing it works, go and get some. But let's open this up and see what's in here. Oh, this is relatively empty. At least it certainly seems like it. Let's see. How do we do this here? Okay. Is there some... How in the world does this work? There we go. Oh yeah, there's dust coming out of there. So it's been used, but I think it's empty enough that we can use it. But it's not full at all, really. So you can test it with this, and it should be fine. So I'll close this back up. Before we test, I did want to check the belt on this, because that was one of the issues that these had, is the belts tend to wear down over time. Let's see if we can get this to sit up here on the table. So we do have a spare on here, which is good. So if the one in there is no good, we've got this. If I can even get it out. And it seems to be kind of dry. I'm not sure if that's really any good. Okay, I believe I'll just take off these screws here and get access to the inside. Okay. So it's kind of dirty in there. We'll have to clean that out, and just as I suspected, the belt is in fact no good. So, I'll have to get that replaced. I'll throw the replacement on there for now. Oh, was that even in the video? This is all broken. I'll put this new one on there. Other than the belt being broken, everything looks to be in relatively good condition. This could use a good cleaning, but that's no surprise. Not sure what the best way to put these belts on is. It looks like it would have to go on here first. Well, the motor turns freely, so that's probably good. Oh, that is good, but I mean the motor is probably okay. Oh, this is the model numbers. Perfect. This is just a reference for myself, or perhaps anybody else who's interested in what the model number of the belt is. Hopefully they still make these, or at least a comparable aftermarket thingy. This is really tight. I'm wondering if this is even going to get on there. Yeah, I guess it's going to go. I hope it doesn't break. Jeez, it is really tight. Alright, well, that's that. Okay, we got some tape here. That's interesting. I guess it holds that in place, but that's just going to keep coming off. Pull that off for now, and I'll just put some other tape in there just to hold it back. Probably not even going to stick because of how dirty this is, but let's see what we can do. Okay. Alright. So that's that. Everything looks clean, and at least, well, not clean, it's free to use. This is spinning freely. So let's put the cover back on, and then we'll try it out. Okay. Now this doesn't even look like it goes past the... I wonder if it has a height adjustment or something to it. Because it's like... I don't even think it goes down far enough to actually contact the floor. I wonder if it's just worn down. Huh. Well, anyways, that's that. So we got that replaced. And let's try this out here. the handle keeps moving up and down for some reason. I don't know what that's about. Is that supposed to do that? I'm not really sure. Well, anyways, we'll cut this heater off for a minute. And now I'll plug this in. Actually, I don't even know how to turn this on. Where is the... What in the world? Unless... Is that the power switch? I thought that was just the release. Well, I guess it's not the release because it kind of goes by itself. I guess that must be the power switch. So I don't know if this is going to be on or off or who knows. So I'm going to plug it in now. Okay, that is the power switch. So, let's see here. You actually need to clean the floor in here, so I guess now is as good a time as ever. Let's see how this works. I got a couple carpets I can clean. I can clean this carpet. Okay, so that cleans really well. This carpet is probably hasn't been this clean in 10 years. So, alright, that seems to run well and certainly cleans well. So I'm quite happy with that. Just got to order some new belts and we'll clean it up too. The thing here looks kind of, doesn't look beat up, it's just dirty, so perhaps this will clean up well. We'll open it up and clean out the inside also. So that's that. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.